How does gift aid work? If you're making a charitable donation to a UK registered charity, then usually when you make that donation, they will ask you whether you would like to gift aid the donation. Now that works in two ways. You can only apply gift aid if you are a UK taxpayer. So if you have UK tax liabilities during the year, and you can only apply gift aid to the extent that you're physically paying the tax. How it will work is when you tick that box, you are telling HMRC that you've made a certain amount of tax payment. And say, for example, you give a contribution of £100 to a charity. HMRC will then gross up your payment. So they will provide that 20% tax relief. What that means is if you give a charity £100, HMRC will then top up the contribution by £25. So the charity will receive a total of £125 for the £100 that you have contributed. Now, if you're a higher rate taxpayer or additional rate taxpayer, you are also entitled to claim additional relief through your tax return. So you would then put the £125 gross contributions onto your tax return and you would receive additional tax relief that way. You need to make sure that you have ticked the gift aid button and that it is a UK appropriate charity to claim relief for. We do find in certain instances that people may make contributions to an overseas branch of a UK charity, and because where they could have maybe contributed directly to the UK entity, and if they'd contributed to the UK entity, they would have received that tax relief. If you have any questions on this, then please do feel free to get in touch with us here at LSR Partners.